Welcome to day 25 of 100 Days of Automation. Today we are going to start building an opportunity analysis system, and in part 1 we are going to collect Shopify Marketplace data. So let's see how it works. First, I'll go to Shopify, and here I have all these product listings in our app marketplace. So if I'm trying to come up with the idea of what is the best app that I can make next for Shopify, we'll try to build a system that tells us the answer to that. So the first step is to just collect and gain knowledge about what already exists. So we can see that for each listing you have a name for the app, who created the app, a description of the app which could have interesting keywords, the rating, how many reviews that this app received, and what is the pricing. So these are the key components when a user comes and makes a decision just looking at this page. So we'll try to extract this data and see if we can find any patterns. So what I can do, I'll go to my Crafter's Chrome extension, I'll choose an action, and we have extract Shopify Marketplace here. We need a Crafter key. I'll go to Crafter and I've made this flow. I'll explain this later. I'll just copy my API key. I'll come to my Chrome extension again, choose my extract Shopify action. I'll paste my key, and now I'll say how many apps do I want to fetch. So for now, let's just say 200, and I'll click on run automation. And now you can see it'll fetch data from each page, refresh the page, and keep doing that till we get 200 apps. Great, so we are at 144, 168. Awesome. So now you can see it stopped refreshing. We have our 200 results. And if I go to Airtable now, so I have this Airtable for storing all of the data. You can see that we got all of our product names here with just one click. We are able to extract all the product descriptions, all the links if you want to go deeper into each of those products. We have the creator name. We also have all the keywords. So this will help us sort and organize all of this. So we can see, okay, how many of the apps are about drop shipping, how many of the apps mention loyalty points, how many apps mention sale, and so on. So this will give us a lot of different ways to slice and dice this data. We also get to see the product rating and reviews. So we can come in here and sort by product rating. We can also sort by both product rating and reviews. So we can see that this app Privy has a best across both of them. We can also see the different pricing plans available. And if I open this, we automatically create the total number of categories in the 200 apps. Awesome. So you can see we have created time. So this tells us when we got this data, and now we can get this data every day, every week, whatever frequency we like. We can create this data which can tell us how the product ratings are evolving over time, how many reviews the app is getting. So we can then use time series and other kind of analysis to understand the growth of different apps. So let's come in here. I'll go to my first page. So I can just change this to page 1. And I'll click on my Chrome extension again, choose extract Shopify Marketplace. I'll paste my key. I'll set apps to fetch to 200, and I'll run my automation. So now you can see we got 400 records. So we can use this group feature of Airtable. We'll select product name, and nice. So we can see for each product at what time or day what the reviews and ratings were. If we keep doing this for let's say 3 months, we would have like very rich data which we can use to find trends and track how the products are evolving. Awesome. Now let's see how we build this inside Crafter. So we get our apps from Chrome extension here. From those apps we extract our product description. We use this block to extract all the keywords. So if we look at the response for Facebook, we get all of these keywords. So this one block takes in any text or a list of text, and it returns us all the keywords for it. Then we have this block which merges the keywords with the original data. So now instead of just that, we get the keywords added to our data. And finally we add our data to Airtable. Then we come in to publish, we publish now, and our API is ready. We copy our API key and we can go in here and use it in our Chrome extension. This was day 25 of 100 days of automation. We covered part 1 of opportunity analysis system. We'll continue with Shopify in part 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.